And Fox 10's Lauren Clark is live tonight in Gilbert with reaction from those who knew the family, including a private investigator who got involved in the case early on. Lauren.
And little JJ Vallow was only 7 years old when he died. He went to school here at Lawrence Institute for Education or Life in Gilbert. His classmates, staff members say that they've been really watching this trial and are still heartbroken over his death. Now, I also spoke to a private investigator today who was hired by family to try to look for JJ and Tylee after Lori moved them from Chandler into Idaho. And he said today was a very big day.
This is one of the stranger cases I've been involved in.
It was the case that captivated the nation, and a man at the heart of it all trying to unravel that tale is private investigator Richard Robertson, hired in this case.
It was so bizarre with all the talk of cults and his Charles Vallow's murder and all of this stuff was just coming at me like a fire hose.
Working to piece together the clues as Tylee Ryan and JJ Vallow remained missing, with their mother Lori Vallow not saying a word.
People just at that point were starting to disappear, and the kids were disappearing. You know, people were dropping dead.
Now, months later, as Lori's officially convicted in the deaths of her two children, Richard says he still has questions that probably won't ever be answered.
I don't know that in this particular case in particular, no matter how many trials we have, we're not really going to know the answers as to the motives, and we know a lot about what happened, but the why is still kind of elusive, I would think.
Knowing that behind the shocking details and bizarre twists, there remains a solemn, heartbreaking fact. Lives were taken from this earth far too soon, something today's verdict can never replace.
And the pain for this family is not going to go away. These grandparents have suffered through so much.
And Life also sent us over a statement that said in part that they are very thankful for today's verdict and that they have continued to stay in contact with JJ's grandparents, telling them that they are always welcome and a part of this community. Reporting here in Gilbert, Lauren Clark, Fox 10 News.